How do artistry scientists use decades of experience in phytonutrients when developing cosmetic and skincare products? Phytonutrients are compounds found in plants that provide various targeted skin benefits, like providing hydration to the skin barrier, helping with skin elasticity, and providing antioxidant protection. Research conducted by artistry scientists looks closer at these phytonutrients to explore the benefits of phyto-micronutrients and their potential benefits for skin. Then, what are these phyto-micronutrients, and why does our skin need phyto-micronutrients?
So our skin is our largest organ of the body. It takes much more damage throughout the day than any other internal organ. It takes damage from the sun, it takes damage from pollution and the environment around us. We can control what we put inside our bodies, but we can't necessarily control the damage that's done to our skin every day.
On top of environmental damage, our skin is constantly going through the process of creating new cells. This renewal process is vital to the overall function of our skin, with millions of new skin cells created daily by our bodies. This is where phyto-micronutrients come into play. These are plant-based vitamins and minerals. Phyto-micronutrients help regenerate and maintain cell functions for the overall health of our skin. Artistry scientists are experts at identifying how these phyto-micronutrients work to benefit our skin's cellular health.
So omega-3s that are found in our white chia provide fatty acids, which are an essential micronutrient for our skin. It helps provide barrier protection, which keeps hydration locked into our skin.
Another important phyto-micronutrient for the skin is beta-carotene, which can neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are molecules with unpaired electrons. This makes them unstable and causes damage to skin cells that can result in increased irritation, dark spots, and even slow down skin cell renewal. As an antioxidant, beta-carotene donates an electron to these free radicals, preventing them from damaging our skin cells.
Phyto-micronutrients and phytonutrients are so important to the skin. We found plant-based sources to provide support for things like wrinkles, fine lines, common issues found in the skin that we wanted to target to help address top skin concerns and reveal healthy looking and younger acting skin.